Come one, come all, welcome to the strangest show on earth. Before you lay some of the strangest items from the farthest corners of the globe, such curiosities as the Fiji mermaid from the South Pacific, a shrunken head from Guam, venomous snake wine from Southeast Asia, King Tut's mummified Uber driver, a well-preserved ferry found out back of behind Wawa, and the terrifying thing in a box. Ooh. Well then, let's hope those chains hold, or else we'll all be in trouble. Well, anyway, where was I? Welcome to the Freakshow. Do be careful out there. Follow the trail, stay with your guide, and keep your hands to yourself, as some of the freaks are known to bite when provoked. Enjoy the show!
Hey guys, so there you have it, our little intro for the show. We had the full Cabinet of Curiosities here. It's already been pretty well cleaned up. We'll do a little tech walkthrough on how this all works. So here we are behind the scenes. Don't mind the little bit of speaker hum there. Unfortunately, that just seems to be an artifact from our controller, which is in a Arduino run. Pick it up here and show you Octo pill-based controller. So we have a trigger input, which is a foot switch that the guys would hit. It's getting its power from USB, and that's running just 2 relays that go out to our monster in a box around the corner there. As for the skeleton, it is just a Home Depot skeleton, did a little bit of reinforcement with some hot glue around the seams, and there is a piece of metal all thread coming down from just underneath the skull, where the little what would you call it, inline coupler there is. So the all thread goes down into the neck. It's also hot glued into place just to kind of solidify it. The wires come down. We didn't hide them super well because again it's a temporary 6-day haunt, but in the dark the wires didn't show at all, just a couple zip ties to hold them in place. We have him attached here with some plumbing strap. Worked very well, so he had a little bit of bounce in his movement, but he wasn't super rigid, but at the same time he wasn't going anywhere. This is the Fright Props auto talking skull, so it has power going into it and an audio wire going into it, so whenever it hears the audio that comes out of our little prop controller there, that is when the mouth moves. For the audio, we have a 2.1 Logitech system, one speaker here behind the curtain, one here, and the subwoofer is hidden at the bottom there, so the audio is actually coming from the direction of the skeleton. Made it sound nice. For lighting, just a standard Home Depot yard light, attached up top facing downward, did a nice job. And we're actually using an Anchor, just phone charger, to run both the prop controller and the power for an MP3 looper, which is also from the same company as Octo pill, fatalmentalitydesigns.com. We've done some videos on them before. That runs out. Ran out of DJ speakers. I was just running it off a Bluetooth plug-in speaker here. It has some nice bass to it. I was running some Carnival audio loop in the background, so that hid the noise of the servo motors in here, which you can hear, and also just hid, ambient noise in general. So there you have it. Pretty simple, run by Fatal Mentality Designs prop controller and audio MP3 looper. And I'll walk around here. There's the air compressor. It's actually stashed a little further over, but we moved the couches back. The couches kind of muffled the air compressor noise. Didn't have to run that much. I was in the monster in a box, which is right here. Custom design of my own. Right up front here, there's a cylinder. I push it up against a metal plate. Make this pop up and down. That's channel 1 on the prop controller. And channel 2 is the cylinder that shoots out of the bottom. So basically the box would pop, 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 and then the whole thing would lurch forward. And we'll do a little video of that. Here's the pedal trigger that starts the whole thing hidden in a corner. The monster in a box is about here. We had the wires tucked away a little better, the airlines tucked away, but we're already in the teardown process. So the nice thing is, there's a little pop when you first trigger the step pedal, let you know that it was triggered. So you'll watch his mouth here. Boom, and it's been triggered.
And the terrifying thing in a box. Well then, let's hope those chains hold, or else we'll all be in trouble.